Okay, here's the question then. And if I scroll down, I'll get question part C as well, which is here. And I've summarized it over the page. So let's have a little look at it. So we've got part A, part B, and part C. Part A, let's have a look at that. First of all, find the length of arc AB. This arc length, well, circumference is 2 pi r, isn't it, for a whole circle? But that's a whole circle of 2 pi radians. So that helps us then to write down the formula for a sector. Instead of 2 pi r, it's just r theta, isn't it? R is 20, and theta is 0.8. 20 times 0.8 is 10 eighths, so 8. 8 and 8 is 16 centimeters. And type it in the calculator if you need to. Part B. Find the area of sector OAB. So the whole area, or if it were a circle, it would be pi r squared, which you can write as 2 pi over 2 r squared, can't you? But that's for a whole circle of 2 pi radians. So that tells us the form of the sector's area would be r squared theta over 2 rather than 2 pi over 2. So that would be equal to r is 20 squared times theta, which is 0.8, divided by 2. 400 over 2 is 200 times 0.8. 100 0.8s are 80, and there's two lots, so that's 80 and 80 is 160 centimeters. So that's part B. Now part C. It's mentioned that it's an obtuse angle here, and it's illustrated in the picture as well. So we want to find out this angle here. We've got an opposite side the angle, and an angle on the opposite side, so we use the sine rule. So here, 15 over sine 15 over sine 0.8 is equal to 20 over the sine of this angle. So that tells us then, I'm going to write down, I'm going to move the sine d up there. Sine d is equal to 20 times sine 0.8. So we've basically moved this up to be there, and then move the 15 down over 15. So the acute angle D, because that's all the calculator will give us for this, shift when we do shift sine, is equal to shift sine of this angle here. This is 4/3, isn't it? So we can write 4 over 3 sine of 0.8. And that will give us the acute angle when we do the calculation. So let's get that then. So it's shift sine. We're in radians mode of 4 times sine 0.8, close bracket, divide by 3 equals 1.27 to 3 significant figures, but we'll write down the more accurate number to start with. 1.2746, 1.2746, but that was the acute angle, which is basically the angle here, because that's the acute, but this angle is obtuse. So we need pi minus that, don't we, for the actual angle. So angle ODB is equal to pi minus 1.2746, which equals, I'll put it in the calculator then. Let's do pi minus the answer we had before is 1.87 to 3 significant figures, 1.87 radians, and that was to 3 significant figures.